Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today you want to look at the minimum score for candidates who really start for an examination in maths, English, history, economics and dance, and you want to find out the minimum score for each candidate. We'll use the function main, so you can even select the whole range. Introduce the function main, that's min. Open the parenthesis, select the range, close the parenthesis, and use the control enter, and we'll have the minimum for each of the candidates. So for Andrew, the minimum score was 33 in geography. Now we can use the conditional formatting to highlight automatically the minimum score for each candidate. So that will be done according to rules. To do that, we select the range where we have the score. We go to conditional formatting, we go to new rule, we go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then our interest, we are starting from the cell F5, so we can just go into where you are supposed to enter the formula, select the F5, use the F4 to really unblock or for it to stand alone. We are seeing that F5 should be equal to the main of the range, so then we can select the whole range. Okay, so then we can select the whole range. We are talking about this whole range for the rule. We close the parenthesis, but here we need to block the F and release the numbers because we're moving according to rule. That's from F5 to F6, so we need to block the F and really rather release where we have the numbers. The same for M5. Then what format do we want it? We want it to be highlight or give us a fill shade of green. Then we can click on OK. Then we can click on OK again. Automatically you see that the minimum score for each of the candidates is really highlighted. So Andrew's score is highlighted. You can see the same for patient. The minimum score was 33. You can see that for Eben, the minimum score was 25 in history and 25 in geography. Assuming the marks change and maybe Eben goes to protest, that's fine. For history he didn't really get to him, he had 50, and let's say so automatically it's updated, and assuming that the minimum score for Sandra is not really 27, but in history he had 16. You see that automatically the 16 is highlighted. This is how smart you can use conditional formatting to really find the minimum value within a range. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on Consult. Have a wonderful day.